People are being killed left, center, right, and there's nothing going on. There's nothing. Nobody is tearing a common mwananchi. You see, the little I know about suicide, when somebody commits suicide, you see, there is always something like this guy tries to come back. Like mtu akijaribu kujinyonga, even ukiangalia cases za suicide, ukipata kama mtu amejinyonga, what happens, the last a few minutes akienda kukufa, huyo mtu anajaribu like kama ni ile kamba ile kwa mnyonga, anajaribu kuitoa, lakini nakuanga imekuwa too late. Like there is no way a sane person, even a mad person, anaweza jigongesha kwa wall akufe. If you see those photos zenye zinaonekana za huyo jamaa, that guy was tortured. Yani kama that guy was killed somewhere, akapelekwa kwa cell, like he was not even taken to the cell. That guy was killed somewhere, and it's so sad. It's a very sad situation right now.
Let me talk a bit. What I want to say is this, because we haven't heard from Raila. The Mzee is quiet. This Mzee is selfish. That is one. Then he is greedy. That is two. Because he is greedy. For now, Mzee, the Mzee is just bargaining for his selfish interest. We are left alone as the people. What we want to say is this. Mimi nataka kusema hivi. Sisi wananchi wa Kenya, we must protect this country, starting by you and me. Because outside here, people are laughing at us. Sisi kama Wajaluo, watu wanasema ati tumeingia kwa kwaya ya praise and worship. Ebu tafadhali sisi Wajaluo, sisi vijana wa Wajaluo tutoke nje na tukomboe hii nchi yetu irudishwe kwenye ilikuwa. That's all what I can say. We are left alone. The government has become barbaric. The government has become a state where blood is their food. The president himself is now feeding on the blood of unemployed Kenyans. We are very angry and we are very annoyed. But I'm saying this, we are going to revisit this. Come 2027, watu watalea na watu watajinyonga. Even the area MP is now quiet. We shall revisit starting from her, then heading to the governor. Wanaenda nyumbani wote mpaka tufike kwa president, waende wakae, waende wakalime, because we cannot vote them in. Kazi yao ni kukula na kudance, ajao ndio watu wanaendelea nayo, lakini maslahi ya wananchi wa kawaida hawataki kutekeleza.
Is our area MP Ivo Bara?
The area MP is Ivo Bara.
Now she cried. She cried the other time. Gladys cried.
Saizi kamenyamaza akajaongea. So how do you say you are a leader yet you don't know even how your constituents are going? You don't know.
Hao watu najua wanaogopa rao. Like
wanaogopa rao.
Hakuna.
Hao watu ni kama robots. Yani wanangoja waambiwe fanya left, ruka juu. They cannot speak. They're not themselves. They cannot speak anything apart from watangoja ile siku wataambiwa na rao fanya hivi.
So
because they know. Hiyo ndio shida tuko nayo.
Come 2027 watangoja huyo rao wape kura. Si 2027 tuko na wao barely 18 months. In fact, let me say 17 months because this month is gone. Wacha tuwangoje. Hiyo rao watakuja wampigie kura yake hiyo moja waingie. Because we are the people and we have the voice. The constitution, we are the people. The power belongs to us. We are the people. We pay taxes. So our voice must be heard. If they cannot hear our voice, if they can't hear our cry, then
Osuro,
there is no need of voting.
Osuro.
Yes.
Osuro, did you hear what Munyoro said today?
No,
I'm starting to believe this guy. I'm
This,
starting to believe this guy.
yes.
I'm trying to give him my ears, and I'm starting to believe him.
He has facts.
He has facts.
Wamunyoro has facts, and let us not say that this man is a tribalist, because what we must know that Wamunyoro is talking about from experience. He was once there, so he knows everything.
Othuro,
Yes,
just to chip in a bit, what we have realized is that this government has misplaced priorities,
exactly.
because there's no way you can fuel a vehicle for over 360 kilometers. That is to and fro, that is almost 700 and something kilometers. Trying to look for simply just a simple blogger. And Mark, you actually move deep inside the village, picking up someone while taking lunch with the family members. It is very sad. The police force we have is actually, it appears this is how they have been doing their dealings before, because if it's a police force that respects the rule of law and such bad commands are not normally given, then I really don't think if they would have done what they did to this brother of us. So a witch will always be a witch, because these is some of the things that they have actually carried out.
Yes.
We are trying now. Just a minute, Tony. And we're actually trying to believe what the opposition have been saying. The killing